Today I'm going to introduce you to the best Sony cameras of 2023 for beginners. Firstly, we have the Sony 6400. It has a 24.2 megapixel sensor, it's APS-C, and it's perfect for photos and videos. It has fast autofocus, tracking features that will allow you to capture sharp images with moving objects. Additionally to that, it's small, light, and compact. So that means you can grab it with you wherever you go. For vloggers, the Sony a6400 is ideal. In addition to that, it comes with a jack for an additional microphone in case you would like a higher quality audio. And when it comes to the price, it all comes down to $899. Next up, we have the Sony ZV-E10. This camera was specifically designed for content creators as well as vloggers. It has almost the same features as the a6400. It has a 24.2 APS-C sensor. It comes up with this crazy flip out 100 degrees, 2000 whatsoever screen. Additionally, it comes with this image stabilization that will help you capture smooth footage even when you're on the move. Furthermore, it features advanced audio options, including a microphone jack that will help you capture high quality audio. The price for this camera is even lower. It's $699. Next up, a6700. This basically is a successor to the a6500. Comes with 24.2 APS-C sensor, has in-body image stabilization, and fast accurate autofocus. Moreover, this camera has a weather-resistant body, which makes it suitable for outdoor photography as well. Furthermore, this camera can shoot up to 11 frames per second, allowing you to capture fast-moving subjects. So if you would like to get into wildlife, or maybe sports photography, this could be a beginner camera for this. Also, it comes with a bit of a higher price. It's $1,399. The last one on my list, it's the Sony FX30. If you're more interested into filming, cinematography, or stuff like this, the Sony FX30 would be an excellent choice. For capabilities, you can capture some awesome footage. This camera has a modular design. This means you can add external monitor and microphones a lot easier onto it. Furthermore, this camera has advanced features when it comes to autofocus. It has real-time tracking, you can shoot up to 10 frames per second in burst mode. It comes somehow with a downside. The price is $2,999, but this camera comes with a dual ISO. 800 and 2500, which means at these two values you'll get less grain and more dynamic range. Imagine you have from ISO 100 to 640, the grain starts building up and the dynamic range starts to get narrower. You then reach 800 and it resets to the best quality that it can capture. Then you're in some low light situations and you need to vamp up the ISO. From 1000 to 2000, the grain starts building up, the dynamic range tends to become narrower, and you're reaching 2500 and then it resets again. I think in 2023, these are the cameras that you want to check if you want to have an upgrade or if you'd like to buy a new camera strictly from Sony. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you into the next one. Cheers!